In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Eisenhower Matrix in the ClickUp hierarchy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a ready-made Eisenhower Matrix into your workspace so you can sort tasks by urgency and importance right where your team already works. First, head to ClickUp and open your workspace. Make sure you're in the space where you want this matrix to live. In ClickUp, a space is the top-level area for a team or function, so choosing the right one keeps your tasks organized from the start. If you use multiple spaces, double-check the name at the top to confirm you're in the correct place before moving on. Next, click on the space headline at the top to open its menu. This header is more than a label, it's the doorway to settings and tools specific to that space. When you click it, you'll see options that help you customize how work is structured. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can easily find what you need here. From this menu, select the option to browse templates. Templates in ClickUp are powerful because they set up structure, views, and fields in one go. Opening the template browser will let you search and preview solutions without rebuilding anything from scratch, saving you a ton of time. Now, search for Eisenhower. You'll see a template designed around the classic matrix: do, decide, delegate, and delete, which reflect the combinations of urgent versus important. Open the preview to confirm it aligns with how your team thinks about prioritization. Before you apply it, make a few display edits so it fits your workflow. For example, check that the view shows clear quadrants, adjust grouping so it's obvious what's urgent and what's important, and toggle on any fields that help with context, like due dates or assignees. Rename the views if needed to match your team's language, and hide anything you don't plan to use so the board feels clean and focused. When the display looks right, click Use. Give it a moment to set up. ClickUp will create the structure in your chosen space, including the lists and views that represent the Eisenhower quadrants. If you don't see it immediately, wait for the setup to finish or refresh your view. That's it. You've opened ClickUp, used your space menu to find templates, selected the Eisenhower Matrix, tailored the display so it's crystal clear, and applied it to your hierarchy. With the matrix in place, your team can prioritize at a glance and keep the most meaningful work front and center.